Hi guys, in this video we are going to create the Grand League winning teams for today's match between KKR versus Rajasthan Royals. So we are going to use our software to create these teams. So first of all, let's click on cricket here. So remember one thing, the pitch is Sharjah. That means the match is going to be held in Sharjah, which is a bowling pitch. As of now, in the second leg, it is behaving like a bowling pitch, and the average score will be 130 runs around like that. So we can estimate that it is also a bowling pitch for today also. So let's click on generate teams here, and after that we need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream 11, and after that continue. And the series is IPL, and after that we have lots of generation types are available here. So I suggest you to go with advanced generation section or also smart. All these sections are very fine, but if you want to go with some of the predictions, just go with the advanced generation section. Otherwise smart generation section is also fine, and it is also very powerful section. So let's click on advanced generation section here, and the match is in between KKR versus RR, which is Rajasthan Royals, and after that continue. You can give any match number, because whatever the teams you create, those teams will be stored within your device. So we need match number. You can give any match number, for example 29, and after that continue. And we need to choose at least 6 players from both the teams. So let's select Dinesh Karthik, and from the KKR side Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, and Rahul Tripathi. Ian Morgan, I would like to drop Ian Morgan for today. So he is a very bad form, and I don't think he will perform well today. And Sunil Naren, Venkatesh Iyer, and Shakib Ashan, and Varun Chakravarti, and what are the other players left? Shubham Mavi and Tim Southee. These are the 10 players from KKR side, and from the RR side, let's select Sanju Samson and Evan Lewis, David Miller. You can also leave David Miller, he is in not a good form, and SSV Jaiswal and G Phillips. You can also leave him if you want, he is also not in a good form. You just go with him. Let's go with him. And after that Rahul Tewatia, Shivan Dubey, and Mustafizur Rahman, Sakaria, and Gopal. So these are the 9 players from RR side. I left one, I think. So you can leave K Yadav if you want. So I don't think he will perform well today. If you want to go with him, you can also select K Yadav also. So I would like to remove him, and after that continue. And we need to select the fixed players. You can select 0 to 9 number of 9 players. That is the maximum limit. So I think you can fix, if you want to fix any player, you can fix V Iyer, which is Venkatesh Iyer. He is a good form. He is batting first as well as bowling 4 overs. So I would like to fix Venkatesh Iyer. And also if you want to fix, you can fix other players also. I don't want to take any risk after this one. And I would like to fix Sanju Samson also. So these are the 2 players I have fixed, and after that continue. And we need to select the captain potential players. I would like to select Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, and Venkatesh Iyer. And from the RR side, Sanju Samson, Evan Lewis, SSV Jaiswal. These are the 3 players from RR side. And after that continue. And let's select more players in vice captain section. So Varun Chakravarti also you can select, and from the RR side also you can select Samson, Evan Lewis, SSV Jaiswal, and so these are the players. I think you can also select Rahul Tewatia. So these are the players, and after that continue. And I think KKR will be the stronger side, and it will be the winning side as well. So let's favor KKR, which is team 1. So we need to select more players from team 1, which is 7-4 and 6-5, and after that continue. And we need to enter the credit range. I think it is a bowling pitch, right? So we need to select anything around 97 to 99, and after that continue. So I would like to select more bowling and all-rounder strategies only, because it is a bowling pitch. We need to select more bowlers and all-rounder strategies. So 1-3-3-4, 1-4-3-3, and so 1-3-1-6, 1-3-4-3, and also 2-3-3-3, and You can select 2 4 2 3 also, that is also fine. 2 4 2 3 2 4, these are the strategies I have selected. 2 3 2 4, 2 3 3 1 3 4 3 1 3 1 6 and 1 3 1 4 3 3 and 1 3 3 4. These are the strategies, and after that continue. And we need to select the number of teams you want to create. You can create up to 3333. So let's create 20 teams, because the 20 teams are more than enough. And after that, to generate teams. So you can see the teams are successfully generated and stored at match number 29, and all these teams are very accurate teams because we have used our predictions along with the software. So I hope you guys like this video. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.